Do native English speakers sound too fast to you? You're not alone. If you feel confused when listening to English conversations, this video will help you understand why and how to fix it. Welcome to English, HumanityUAPD.com. What makes native speech hard? Native English speakers learned English from birth. They speak smoothly, use contractions, slang, and blend words together. That's why it feels fast and confusing. For example, instead of going to, they often say gonna. These small changes add up and make speech sound rapid. The real reason it feels fast. It's not just the speed, it's the rhythm, stress, and natural patterns. Native speakers don't say every word clearly like in textbooks. They reduce some words and stress others. Examples: what are you doing? What you doing? Did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? So remember, it's natural, not incorrect, and you can train your ear to catch it. Why learners get confused. Here are the main reasons English learners struggle. Unfamiliar slang and idioms, spill the beans. Different regional accents. American versus British versus Australian, fast-connected speech. Cultural references. When you haven't practiced real spoken English, your brain tries to translate word by word, and that doesn't work. Simple techniques to improve listening. Here are 3 simple ways to train your listening skills every day. Technique No. 1. Focus on keywords. Don't try to understand every single word. Listen for the important words that tell the main idea. Technique No. 2. Use context clues. If you don't know a word, use the rest of the sentence to guess the meaning. Technique No. 3. Watch with subtitles. Watch videos with English subtitles first, then watch again without them. Consistency is key. Try this daily listening plan. 15 to 30 minutes a day. Listen to a podcast. Watch one video or movie clip. Repeat short sentences out loud. It doesn't have to be long, just regular. Some learners get frustrated, and that's normal. Listening is one of the hardest skills. Remember, you don't need a perfect accent. You don't need to understand every word. You just need exposure and patience. Small progress every day. Big improvement over time. If you want more free lessons and tips, visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com. Practice every day, and soon native English will feel natural. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your biggest listening challenge.